So throughout this, I want you to think about all of the hats that you've had to wear, all the industries and sectors you've been in, all the way from when you were little, when you first started. I mean, even when you were in school, like if you were a student or if you were a teacher or something, all of us have had exposure to something called FERPA. Like when you were in school, the teachers had to protect your information. If you went to a library, that's also fallen under FERPA, where they had to protect your information. So FERPA is, I don't remember the name of, I don't remember. Let me see if I'm going to Google it real quick. FERPA is a regulation. It's called the Family, it's protecting student privacy, but it's the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, and that's FERPA. So all of us, even as students, have been exposed to different regulations and policies and procedures. And for those who are all anti-regulation, and following people who are anti-regulation, to be honest, these people, these politicians who say that they're not anti. What they want is to control the regulation. That's what they want. So that's still regulation, and they're still going to want to do things like strong passwords, encryption. Like this is protection of everyone. That's not just one or two people, right? So it's everyone. So let's keep going here. But I want you to always keep in mind what industry you've worked in. It's very relevant to what we're talking about. And as we go along, I'll be asking you questions like, where are you at? So we can relate that to governance, risk management, and compliance.